another Portronics product today. It is a USB type C to C cable, and it is a 2 meter long Konnect cable. This particular cable I personally like because I've been using this cable since nearly a year, and it has been fantastic for fast charging. And it is nylon braided, so the quality and durability is amazing. And the last and the best part about this product is the cost. It's just 169 rupees and it's fabulous. Let me unbox this and show you. And here is the cable itself. The cable itself is brightly braided in black, and it's beautiful. It's type C to C. Yeah, this is highly recommended, guys. You should buy it. I'll leave a link in the description. You can purchase from there. Thank you.